Good morning, children. Children, in the last class, I have explained chapter 7, nouns, possession. Today, once more, I am going to explain this chapter. Children, apostrophe apostrophe is used to show possession. Possession. How to use apostrophe? How to use apostrophe? First of all, singular nouns. Singular nouns. Okay. Adds S. Now see. The passenger. Answer is the passenger apostrophe S. Clear? Suppose Mr. Das. Mr. Dases. DAS. Clear? The house of Mr. Das. Answer is Mr. DAS apostrophe S house. Clear? The ticket of the passenger. What is answer? The passengers, PASSENGER apostrophe S, passengers ticket. Clear? Now, plural nouns ending S, ending in S. Add. Question is the soldiers. The SOLDIER. The soldier. Soldiers. The answer is the SOLDIERS. At last apostrophe will be. Okay. The birds. The birds. The answer is the birds. Clear? Some plural nouns which are not ending in S. Question number 3. Plural nouns not ending in S. In that case, apostrophe S will be added. Example, CHILDREN, children. Plural number. So here will be CHILDREN apostrophe S. Cleared? Suppose the woman. Plural number. Here will be the WOMEN apostrophe S. Cleared? Once more. Suppose the books for children. Answer will be CHILDREN apostrophe children's books. Clear? But children, in case of non-living objects, what will happen? Normally, we do not use apostrophe S to show possession. By giving some examples, you will get clear conception. Suppose the chair's leg, the chair's leg, the chair apostrophe s, chair's legs. This one can be written legs of the chair. Actually, this sentence is wrong. This sentence is wrong. This is the right sentence. Legs of the chair. Legs of the chair. One more sentence. Suppose the coat's pockets. The COAT apostrophe S POCKETS. Here will be the pockets of the coat. Clear? This one wrong. This one wrong. These two sentences, this type of sentence which are non-living objects should be written like this: legs of the chair or the pockets of the coat. The pockets of the coat. Now I am going through the books. Some examples are there. Now see, in case of singular nouns is added to the singular noun. The girl's doll is beautiful. The monkey sailor's cap were stolen, singular number. The dog's collar is in my hand. The visitor's phone number is here. These are all the singular nouns. In case of plural nouns or words ending in S, we add only apostrophe. The news effect was dangerous. Plural number, S will be added. S already added and apostrophe only be used. The girls' dresses will be ready for by tomorrow. Here girls' dresses. The class results are being discussed. Already S written, so only apostrophe be used to show possession. The bench's color has a worn out look. Here benches apostrophe only because S already added to it. It is a plural nouns. In plural nouns that don't end in S, we add apostrophe S to show possession. Suppose children, it is a plural number, but children's toys apostrophe S should be added. Children's toys were expensive. Men's dresses were attractive. Women's purses were of golden color. These are all the plural number, but S not added to the plural numbers. So in that case, to show possession, apostrophe S will be added. In a few words where too many hissing sounds come together, or in words which end in S, we omit the letters after apostrophe. For conscience sake, princess crown, S already given. Dogs barking, clear? When a title consists of several words, the apostrophe sign is put with the last word. Example, the Queen of England's empire was peaceful. England's empire. The Nawab of Awadh's kitchen was an inspiration to the good cooks. Here apostrophe S is added. So, children, I think you have got a clear conception about the possession, how to use apostrophe, how to make possession. You will go through the chapters, chapter 7, and then the next class I will give the notes of the exercise. Thank you.